Well, it's another productive day. I've managed to finish 2 walls. The end wall there and the wall where the window's going to go. I got another lintel put in. Well, another concrete fence post. So, tomorrow I should just build 3 more courses here. And then next week I will start taking this window out and putting it in here. So it's coming along nicely, taking shape. Once I've got the shed walls done, I will finish this bit of concreting here and then maybe put some tiles down on this concrete. But let's get the shed done first. I'll see you on the next one.